Making a batch of fudge brownies from scratch could not be easier, and that's exactly what we're going to do in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle McPhee from Mom's Heart. We'll start by melting butter and chocolate. Once melted, we'll remove it from the heat. We'll add sugar, stir that in a bit. We'll add a couple of eggs and some vanilla. Once incorporated, we'll add flour and optional nuts. And lately, I've been enjoying adding some chocolate chips instead of frosting the finished brownies with frosting. So I'll just give that a light stir. You want to mix it together, but not overmix it. Once that's done, they're ready to go into the pan. And then into the oven for 24 minutes. Once these brownies are cool, I'll dust them with a little powdered sugar and cut them into squares. You've got to give these brownies a try. They really are just this easy to make, and they are oh so delicious.